On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can be making money from home without investing anything. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Teespring, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join ClickBank or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are using Teespring. Teespring is an affiliate network that you can find a lot of different products under different categories that you can promote to make money from home. The best part is that they have different methods of payment. So if you earn a commission on this website, you can choose any method that you want to get paid. Once you choose your method of payment, you will be paid anytime you earn a commission on this platform. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Teespring. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and then find products to promote. This is my account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. Right here you can see these are categories of affiliate products that you can promote. They are into different categories, so any category that you want, you can click on it and then find an offer to promote. For example, if you want to promote events and seminars, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, events and seminars. Once you click on events and seminars, you can see under finance they have 3 events that you can promote. Leadership, they have 1 event that you can promote. And online marketing, they have about 28 of them that you can promote. Apart from events and seminars, when you click on digital products, there are a lot of different subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So any category that you want, you can click on it and then find an offer to promote. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote a physical product. You can see they have skincare products, they have supplements. So any of them that you want, you can click on it and then get an offer to promote. There are many different offers on this platform. All that you need to do is that you have to search for any offer that you want so that you can promote it and then earn a commission. So you can select any product that you want and then promote it. Once you promote it, anytime you get a sale, you are going to be paid. For example, you can see the payment method. Let me click on it. You can see these are the payment methods. So any of them that you want, you can choose and then get paid. You can see these are the payment methods. Once you earn a commission, you can select any of these methods of payment and you are going to get paid. Now what we are going to do is that we have to find a product that we can promote to make money. You can see there are a lot of different products. One thing I like about Teespring is that most of the products, the commission rate is very high. For example, you can see this one right here. The commission rate is $123.79 per every sale that you get. There are many of them. So once you scroll down, you can see the next one, $101.71. You can see this one right here, $81.77. You can see many offers that you can promote. This one you are going to be earning $146.39 per every sale that you get. So select any offer that you want and then promote it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of the products so that I can promote it and then earn money from home. I'm going to be promoting this product right here. You can see the commission rate is $146.39 per every sale that you get. Apart from the commission rate, the conversion rate is also good. You can see 21%. As you can see, that has been done. Apart from the commission rate, the conversion rate is also high, 21%. So if you promote it, you are likely going to get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link and you can get more details about the product. If you want to get more details about the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page. Once you click on sales page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see before they purchase the product. So you can see everything on the landing page. This is exactly what your potential customers are going to see before they purchase the product. Now once you have been able to see the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So you can click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to build a landing page so that you can get people to visit your landing page and then click on your affiliate link so that they can go ahead and then make a purchase for you to earn money. To build a landing page, what you have to do is that you have to search for Google site. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first link right here. Once you click on it, you can click right here, blank site. Once you click on blank site, you can be able to build a landing page which you can use to promote the product. But in my previous video, I've shown you step by step on how to build a landing page promoting this product. So I'm not going to build a new landing page. I'm going to show you how I built my landing page. Let me open it for you to see. I've built this simple landing page which I'm using to promote the product. You can see it is a very simple landing page. You can equally build a landing page like this and then promote the product. You can see a very simple landing page. Now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. You can use paid traffic source to get people to view your landing page, or you can use a free traffic source which you can use to get people to view your landing page. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your landing page and then purchase the product for you to make money. There are many free traffic sources, but what I'm going to show you, the traffic is coming from tier 1 countries. You are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn a commission. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is spydeals.co.uk. This is a website that is based in the United Kingdom, and the best part is that they allow people to promote any offers that they want. So when you come right here, you can see these are categories of products that you can promote on this platform for free. You can see they have electronics, you can see accessories, food and drinks, freebies, gaming, health and beauty, home and living, case, leisure, and others. You can see travel. So any kind of product that you want, you can promote it on this website for free. You are not required to pay for anything. You can see other people have posted their ads on this website, and you can see the engagement is good. You can see the engagement is very good. So now what you have to do is that you have to also create an account so that you can post the product that you are promoting on this platform and then drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can see a whole lot of different items that people have posted right here. To post an item on the website, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, click right here, login. Once you click on it, if you are new, click on sign up so that you can create your free accounts. But because I have an account, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on login. Once you click on login, you can link it with your Facebook accounts, your Google accounts, or you can enter your email address, password, and then click on continue so that you can be able to get access to the free accounts. In this case, I've linked it with my Google account, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click right here, continue with Google. Once you create your accounts and login, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, many people have posted different things on this website. Now what you have to do is that you have to post your ad onto the website so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the product. To post an item, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, share deal. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Click right here, deal, so that you can paste your link. Once you click on it, you can see URL. So you have to paste the link to your landing page here, or if you want, you can paste your direct affiliate link right here. So it depends on whatever that you want. Sometimes the website does not accept Google site links, so you can copy your direct affiliate link and then paste it here. So you can come back on the student for click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on next. Once you click on next, the next step is that you have to upload the offer image here. So you can come back on the student for highlight and copy the name of the product. Once you highlight and copy the name of the product, you are going to come back and then paste it on a new tab. Once you paste it, search so that you can find images of the offer. Once you search, select images. Once that is done, you can see many images of the offer. Any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it in your ad. You can see a whole lot of different images. In this case, I'm going to download this one right here. So right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, click on upload so that you can upload the image onto your device. What you have to do is that you have to click on upload. Once you click on upload, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, the image of the offer has been uploaded. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the price of the product. You can enter the price of the product right here. See the new price, you can enter it right here. It is optional. If you want, you can enter the price or you can leave it. All these fields are optional, so if you want, you can enter the details or you can leave it. In this case, I'm going to enter the price of the product right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on this total info. Once you come back, you can see this is the price of the product. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the price of the product, the next step is that you have to enter the price of shipment. So enter the price right here. In this case, it is free, so select free shipment. As you can see, that has been done. When you come back on the product landing page, you can see right here free shipping, free shipping. So you have to select free shipment. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your ad right here. In this case, I have my title, so let me paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to paste a description of your ad right here. Enter any description that you want. You have to write some description of the product and then paste it right here. So in this case, I have my description. You can see it right here. Once you have your description, the next step is that you have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So in this case, it is health and beauty, so select that. Once you select the category, the next step is that you have to enter the location, the start date and the expiring date. In this case, we are not going to enter any of these details, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you have to click right here, create new deal. Once you click on it, you can see thank you for adding deal. It will be published after moderator review. So your ad is going to be published once the moderator review it, and you are going to get people who will click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on this total info. Once you go back, select a different product, promote it on this platform. There are many products that you can promote on this platform, and you don't need to pay anything to post an ad onto this platform. Just paste as many as you can so that you can get people who live in the United Kingdom to click on your link and then purchase the product. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.